I'm going to show you how to make a fruit salad, which is a simple and easy one. It's very useful for summer or winter time, even during festival time like Christmas or any other festivals that comes along with your celebration. So let us see what are the ingredients are. Right now I have one chopped apple, one chopped pear, and I have some sugar here, and I have half a cup of sour cream, and I have some sliced almonds for garnishing, and I have some grapes for the salad, and some pomegranates to add some vanilla essence. And let's see how this is being made. Hello viewers, now I'm going to begin with making the cream first for the fruit salad. So I'm having a bowl, and I'm going to add this sour cream into my bowl. So I'm adding a few teaspoons of sugar. Since this is a half a cup, so I would just go with 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, or maybe less or more. It's up to you how much you want. And I would go with half a teaspoon of vanilla essence or vanilla extract. And all I need to do now is to whip it. Always remember to start off with your first beat for a minute or two. As you can see, the sugar is still crystallized and it's not being melted yet, so we can increase the speed now. The sugar is still a little crystallized, but I want it that way. You can do it until it's completely dissolved. At this point, I'm just going to mix all the fruits together. So I'm starting off with the apples. And so the pear. till this cream is well combined. And at this point, I'll add my pomegranate. It might change the color a little bit, but that's fine. And here you go, viewers. My fruit salad is done, and you could garnish it with sliced almonds. It's an optional if you want, or with anything else, any other nuts, as you wish. So I'll be back. And here you go, my fruit salad. To garnish it, I'm going to add some almonds. It's an optional. If you want, you can. If you don't want, you don't have to. And this is my final product of my fruit salad. So I hope you enjoy trying it. And thank you for watching this video. And I wish you all the best in trying. And do subscribe to the channel. Share with others. And let me know in your comments if you are not sure about certain things. And I will do right back to you. Thank you very much. Thank you for supporting Friday Friendly Kitchen. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now.